Pop. Okay.
Congratulations, Anaida!
Thank you.
We are with proud parents of Anaida, who's our first runners-up Miss Face of Mumbai 2021. We would want to know how happy and how proud they are about their daughter winning this title. Ma'am, over to you. Few words from you, please.
Yeah, it really delighted to know that Anaida has got the first runner-up for Face of Mumbai, and this was not expected from her career because she has another career to go. But her passion has been completed, and she always wanted to be somewhere that would make her talents be noticed of course, with worldwide fame. Thank you very much to Face of Mumbai for seeing the beauty in Anaida and also her talents, moreover, which the stage calls for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Now, something about Anaida. She is my eldest daughter among the two daughters I've got, and what to tell you about children? Mischievous from the very young age. Very mischievous, both of them. They have only a gap of 1.5 years, and they were not like sisters, but they were like friends, wrestling around, playing around, all the possible games that I could teach them, the martial arts that I taught them. They were black belts at the age of 7 and 8, and they picked up everything so well, because what happened, it is, they say it runs in the genes, everything is in the bloodline. So I would like to congratulate her on this achievement, and I would like to thank Face of Mumbai, the whole staff, the whole crew. It was a tremendous job, it was a tedious job from their side, and not forgetting the Almighty. Thank you very much. Thank you. See what's found out. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, we are with Anaida's neighbor. We really want to know how proud and how happy they are of Anaida winning Miss Face of Mumbai 2021, first runners-up. Sir, over to you. Few words from you, please.
मैं नितिन, एक्चुअली मैं अनाइडा को बचपन से जानता हूँ और बहुत ही उसका मेहनती और स्कॉलर लड़की है, और आज जो भी कुछ उन्होंने अचीव किया है वो उसकी मेहनत का नतीजा है.
अनाइडाला आम्ही लहानपणापासून बघतोय. ती स्कॉलर मुलगी तर असूनच ती ॲक्टिव्हसुद्धा आहे, आणि तिला जे काय टार्गेट करायचं असतं ते 100% करते आणि सक्सेसफुल मिळून दाखवते. थँक्यू.
अनाइडाला मी लहानपणापासून ओळखतो. लहानपणापासून तिची चुणूक ओळखून तिच्या पालकांनी तिला चांगलं माध्यम दिलं, आणि त्याप्रमाणे तिने पुढे जाण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. त्या प्रोत्साहनपर तिला तिच्या आईवडिलांनी पालकांनी चांगलं प्रोत्साहित केलं, आणि त्याचंच उदाहरण म्हणजे आज ते यापर्यंत जाऊन पुढे पोहोचलेली आहे. तिला आमच्या परिवाराकडून सोसायटीतर्फे शुभेच्छा.
So we have Anaida herself. So Anaida, we really want to know what Face of Mumbai meant for you and how was the journey overall, Anaida?
Hi, I'm Anaida Valadares, a proud first runner-up of Face of Mumbai 2021. It is rightly said that big surprises come in small packages. It was a life-changing moment the day I called up Face of Mumbai. To be specific, I called Sona ma'am, and out of curiosity I wanted to know what exactly this pageant was all about. And there was a spark in my entire living from the time I got to know that Face of Mumbai is more of a personality pageant than a beauty pageant. I felt that this was the right platform. I could showcase my talents. This was the right stage for me to show the world what exactly lies in me entirely. I would like to thank Face of Mumbai for everything that they have done for us till date, including our grooming sessions, including our mentoring, the small helps we needed even late in the nights. Sona ma'am and her entire team of Face of Mumbai was always there for us. They are the reasons because of what Face of Mumbai has such a big name today. I would like to thank my parents for always supporting me. They always had my back, and I would like to say they never stopped loving me. They never stopped supporting me even till date. Not forgetting my sister, who's far but yet very close to me, and she always knew that I would do something. She's the one who inspired me who motivated me to do something in life, and here I am today on this wonderful platform of Face of Mumbai. Not forgetting the Almighty, I would always be thankful to Him for showing me the right path and for always showering His blessings on me. Thank you, Face of Mumbai. Thank you, everyone. Keep loving and keep supporting. Being into the sports background, I've always been a tough girl all my life. Beauty, fashion never really amused me. But when I got to know about this wonderful pageant called the Face of Mumbai, at the beginning I was really very hesitant. But then Face of Mumbai never failed to make me feel like that even a tough girl like me could stand in a platform like this, because at the end, Face of Mumbai is all about your personality and not your beauty alone. So I'm really thankful to them, really thankful to Sona ma'am and her entire team for wonderfully taking care of us all throughout our journey. Thank you, Face of Mumbai 2021.